The Sony Xperia VIII 2027 is shaping up to be one of the most premium and futuristic smartphones ever released, perfectly blending cutting-edge technology with Sony's signature cinematic design. If you're a tech enthusiast or a content creator, this device feels less like a phone and more like a professional tool in your pocket. Right from the first look, the Xperia VIII stands out with its sleek, tall, and ultra-modern design. Sony continues its tradition of a 21:9 cinema-wide display, but this time it's sharper, brighter, and more immersive than ever. The 6.7-inch 4K OLED panel delivers breathtaking colors, deep blacks, and an incredibly smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, making everything from gaming to video streaming feel incredibly fluid. Watching movies on this device feels like holding a mini cinema screen in your hand. Performance-wise, Sony has packed this beast with the latest flagship processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing 4K videos, the Xperia VIII handles everything effortlessly. There's virtually no lag, and the experience remains smooth even under heavy usage. It's clearly built for power users who demand top-tier performance. Now let's talk about the camera because this is where Sony truly shines. The Xperia VIII features a revolutionary triple-lens camera system, co-engineered with Sony's Alpha Camera division. You get incredible control with manual settings, real-time autofocus, and ultra-fast shooting speeds. The photos come out crisp, natural, and professional-looking, especially in low light. Videographers will love the advanced cinematic video modes that allow you to shoot content that looks like it came straight out of a movie set. Battery life is also impressive, with a 5,000 mAh battery and improved power optimization. The phone easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging and wireless charging ensure you're never out of power for long. Audio is another area where Sony doesn't compromise. The front-facing stereo speakers deliver rich and immersive sound, and the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a rare but welcome feature for audiophiles. Combined with high-res audio support, the listening experience is simply outstanding. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia VIII is not just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse designed for creators, gamers, and anyone who wants the absolute best. With its stunning display, pro-level camera system, and top-tier performance, it truly sets a new benchmark for flagship devices in 2027. If you want a phone that stands out from the crowd,